Hello, in this video we are going to see how to perform a physical stock audit and verify your software stock with your current stock in hand. Let's get started. On the left menu, click on Products. Below, click on Verify Stock. A Verify Stock screen will be displayed. On the left side, you will see all your product listings and its stock. Here, click on Export Excel. And save the Excel file. I am saving it in the desktop. Okay. And the Excel file is opened. Here, you will get the product and stock information. Now, this is the data from the software. Now you have to modify this data with what you have. So now for the hard drive, I have only 9 in my hand now. And for memory card, I have 25. And for pen drive, I have 21. And for t-shirt, I have 24. And for t-shirt white, I have 18. So this is my current stock which I have physically. Okay, now I will save this file and go to software. Here click on Import Excel and choose the file you have saved. Click on Open. Now the left side is the stock that is available in the software, and on the right side is the stock actually available that we have changed now. So now click on Verify Stock and you can see the status. Hard drive stock mismatch. Given stock is 9 but the actual stock is 10. Memory card stock matches, and pen drive stock is mismatching. It is 21 but it is showing only 20. And the t-shirt green stock match, and the t-shirt white, the stock is mismatch. Given only 18, given 18 but it is available 16 only. Now you will see the total summary here. Your total products is 5. Products that match the stock is 2, only 2. And product mismatch stock is 3. And at the top you will see a new option to show all the products, or show only matching products, or showing only mismatched products. So this is how you perform a stock audit, a physical stock audit. Thank you for watching.